Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Appam, it's a kind of dosa recipe or a pancake native from Kerala cuisine. It's mainly prepared from fermented premixed rice and coconut batter. It is a popular staple breakfast food in Kerala. They are very tasty, neither too sweet nor less sweet. Appam is perfectly healthy and a perfect meal for nutritious breakfast. Appam are fermented and thus enriched with vitamin B12. They are easy to digest. Now we'll take 3 cups of rice. Wash rice well for 3 to 4 times in running water. Soak them for around 5 hours. After 5 hours, drain the water from the rice. Now add 1 cup of coconut and half cup of cooked rice, or instead you can use poha. Now grind all the ingredients in the blender together to make a smooth fine paste. Grind in batches. The appam batter should ground really smooth and fine. Now pour the batter in a bowl. Cover the batter bowl with a lid and leave it in a warm place. Leave batter untouched for at least 8 to 10 hours. Now after resting for 9 hours, we can see that the batter has been doubled. The batter is foamy after fermentation. Mix well. Can store in refrigerator up to 3 days and use whenever required. Now to make the appam, we need to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Mix well. Combine everything. Now the appam batter consistency should be thin, little thinner than the dosa batter. Add water and adjust the consistency. Heat a appam kadai. Make it hot. Ladle some batter into the kadai in the middle. Slowly rotate the pan to make the appam batter adhere to all over the sides of the pan. Cover with a lid and let it cool for 40 to 50 seconds. Appam cooks only on one side. Appam is done when the sides are brown. So remove the appam slowly with the help of a spatula. Now repeat the same process to make many appams. So serve appam with sweet coconut milk. It makes a fantastic breakfast or even for dinner. Methi seeds are must to get a golden crust color for the appams. Add little sugar to the batter, which lends a beautiful golden color. Cooking the appam in low flame patiently is the very secret to this appam recipe. If the appam is not browning, that it means that the batter has not been fermented properly or very little sugar has been added. Friends, try this breakfast recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all